Hello there, dear viewers. Welcome to our channel. Today, we will show you a collection of beautiful and durable wooden kitchen accessories craft design ideas for income generation and modern decor. So, watch the video until the end to see these beautiful ideas and get inspiration. Beautiful and durable wooden kitchen accessories play a significant role in enhancing modern interior decor, combining functionality with aesthetic appeal to create a harmonious kitchen environment that reflects contemporary design sensibilities. The natural warmth and texture of wood bring an organic element to the kitchen, which is increasingly important in today's design landscape, where there is a strong emphasis on creating spaces that feel inviting and comfortable. Wooden accessories, ranging from cutting boards and utensils to storage solutions and decorative elements, contribute not only to the functionality of the kitchen, but also serve as stylish accents that elevate the overall aesthetic. As homeowners seek to personalize their spaces and invest in quality items that last, the demand for beautifully crafted wooden kitchen accessories continues to grow, showcasing the timeless appeal of wood in modern design. One of the most compelling aspects of wooden kitchen accessories is their versatility. They can seamlessly blend with various design styles, from rustic and farmhouse to sleek and contemporary. For instance, a beautifully grained wooden cutting board can serve as both a practical tool for meal preparation and an elegant serving platter for entertaining guests. This dual functionality is particularly valuable in modern kitchens, where space is often at a premium and homeowners are looking for ways to maximize utility without compromising on style. The rich hues and unique patterns found in different types of wood add character and depth to the kitchen, making each piece a conversation starter and a reflection of the owner's taste. As a result, wooden accessories are not merely tools, they become integral components of the kitchen's design narrative. The durability of wooden kitchen accessories also contributes significantly to their impact on modern interior decor. High-quality woods, such as maple, walnut, and cherry, are known for their resilience and ability to withstand the rigors of daily use. Unlike plastic or synthetic materials, wood has natural antibacterial properties, making it a hygienic choice for food preparation. This durability ensures that wooden items can be used and cherished for years, allowing homeowners to invest in pieces that not only enhance their kitchen's functionality, but also maintain their beauty over time. As consumers become more discerning and environmentally conscious, the appeal of durable, long-lasting materials like wood grows, aligning with a broader trend towards sustainability in home design. Incorporating wooden kitchen accessories into modern interiors also allows for creative expression. Artisans who specialize in woodworking often infuse their designs with unique touches, such as intricate carvings, personalized engravings, or thoughtful shapes that enhance usability. For example, a beautifully crafted wooden spoon with a curved handle can be both a joy to use and a striking addition to a kitchen display. These thoughtful design elements not only enhance the aesthetic appeal, but also demonstrate the craftsmanship and artistry that go into creating each piece. As a result, homeowners are drawn to wooden accessories that tell a story and reflect the values of quality and authenticity, making them feel more connected to their kitchen environment. Dear viewers, are you enjoying our today's content? We post furniture, decor, and craft ideas videos on a daily basis. If you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing to never miss these inspirational furniture, decor, and craft ideas. Smash the notification bell so that you will be notified when we upload new videos. Also, don't forget to like and share this video, as your likes and shares enable us grow our channel and give you more content in return. Moreover, the trend of open shelving in modern kitchens has further spotlighted the importance of beautiful wooden accessories. As homeowners move away from traditional cabinetry and embrace more open layouts, the items displayed on shelves become focal points in the design. Wooden bowls, utensils, and cutting boards can be showcased as decorative elements, contributing to the overall visual harmony of the space. This shift encourages a more curated approach to kitchen accessories, where each piece is selected not only for its functionality, but also for its ability to enhance the kitchen's aesthetic. The combination of form and function becomes paramount as homeowners seek to create spaces that are both practical and visually appealing. The impact of wooden kitchen accessories extends beyond mere aesthetics. They also foster a sense of warmth and nostalgia in the home. The tactile nature of wood evokes feelings of comfort and familiarity, which is particularly important in the kitchen, a space often associated with family gatherings and shared meals. Wooden utensils and serving pieces can remind individuals of traditions passed down through generations, creating a connection to the past while fitting seamlessly into a modern context. This blend of old and new is a hallmark of contemporary interior design, where the goal is to create spaces that resonate emotionally with occupants. As homeowners curate their kitchens, they often prioritize items that evoke memories and foster connections, making wooden accessories a perfect choice. Furthermore, the sustainability aspect of wooden kitchen accessories is gaining traction as consumers become more environmentally conscious. Many artisans are now sourcing wood from sustainable forests or utilizing reclaimed materials, allowing homeowners to feel good about their purchases while contributing to a healthier planet. This commitment to sustainability not only enhances the appeal of wooden accessories, but also aligns with modern design principles that prioritize eco-friendly practices. As a result, choosing wooden items becomes not just a design decision, but also a lifestyle choice that reflects the values of mindfulness and responsibility. The craftsmanship involved in creating wooden kitchen accessories also plays a significant role in their impact on modern interior decor. Skilled artisans pour their expertise into each piece, ensuring that it meets high standards of quality and design. This attention to detail elevates the accessories from mere functional items to works of art that showcase the beauty of natural materials. Homeowners are increasingly drawn to unique, handcrafted products that tell a story and support local artisans, further enhancing the emotional connection to their kitchen environment. By investing in beautifully crafted wooden accessories, individuals not only enhance their home decor, but also contribute to the preservation of traditional crafts and support the creative economy. In addition to their aesthetic and functional benefits, wooden kitchen accessories can also inspire creativity in the kitchen. The presence of unique, beautifully designed items can encourage homeowners to experiment with cooking and entertaining, transforming meal preparation into a joyful experience. For example, a stunning wooden serving board can inspire a beautifully arranged charcuterie spread, while a set of elegant wooden utensils can make cooking feel more enjoyable and fulfilling. This creative spark can lead to a deeper appreciation for the culinary arts and a desire to share food with family and friends, reinforcing the kitchen's role as a central gathering place in the home. Beautiful and durable wooden kitchen accessories significantly impact modern interior decor by combining functionality, aesthetic appeal, and sustainability. Their versatility allows them to seamlessly integrate into various design styles, while their durability ensures that they remain cherished pieces for years to come. The craftsmanship involved in creating these accessories adds an element of artistry that resonates with homeowners, fostering emotional connections and enhancing the overall kitchen experience. As consumers increasingly prioritize quality and sustainability, wooden kitchen accessories stand out as timeless, elegant choices that not only elevate the kitchen's aesthetic, but also enrich the lives of those who inhabit it. By embracing the beauty and utility of wood, homeowners can create kitchens that are not only stylish, but also warm, inviting spaces that celebrate the joy of cooking and gathering. Well, dear viewers, there you have them. Our hand-picked, beautiful, and durable wooden kitchen accessories craft design ideas for income generation. Which ones did you like? What did you like about them? Share us your thoughts in the comment section. We hope you've enjoyed our today's content. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and also smash that notification bell so that you will be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. It takes a lot of time and effort to make these videos. Your subscriptions, likes, and shares are what inspire us to create more content. Therefore, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already. And finally, thank you for watching until the end. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.